はようございます。Good morning or こんばんは。Good evening. How's going with your Japanese? Try to memorize ひらがな everything first of all, okay? Character, if you cannot read, you always need this alphabet, but it's not good. So, as much as possible, try to practice hiragana. You can't say I know Japanese without ABC, which is basic alphabet. So, let's focus hiragana. And today we will learn numbers, a bigger number. We will start from 200. Okay, 200. We learned until 100. Okay, today we will start from 200. Okay, 200. Let's see. The grammar is very easy. Everything. So we will see. 200. So do you remember 100 is 100? 100. So 200. 300. So 200, but 300. This is irregular pronunciation. You cannot pronounce 300, 300. Okay, irregular pronunciation. 400, 500, and again irregular. 600 with small 2 with 100. Okay. Small 2, do you remember how to pronounce? This is a small pause, not 600, 600, 600, 600 is a 600. Okay. If you pronounce 600 or something, I can understand as a native. It's like a Greek language has also, they have many irregular pronunciation, but you didn't say correctly. Like 1 o'clock in Greek is μία η ώρα, but I will say like ένα η ώρα, which is you can understand, but not correct pronunciation. So let's pronounce correctly. Okay, 600, 700. Okay, 800 here, again irregular. 800, 900, and 1000. Very simple. 1000, 1000. And 2000, 2000. 3000, 1000. This is again irregular. You can't say 3000, 3000. 4000 and 5000. 5000, 6000, 7000. And here again, irregular. 8000. Okay, pause. 8000 and 9000. So how was it? We did until 9000. Okay. So next lesson we will see the old number all together and we can do the exercises. 頑張りましょう。
Like the wind, running free. We were lost, we had to believe. No direction, no place to be. High on emotions, just you and me. So like the fire deep inside, it doesn't matter.